My day 6 series of how much YouTube pay me video, where I personally expose my YouTube revenue to you guys in reward of I wanted to get monetized 2025. And first, happy Vlogmax. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Like I said, it is very important for me to expose my revenue down to you here, not because I'm too proud, not because I'm showing off, but because I just want to tell you guys that this thing called YouTube is actually paying and you can also make money out of it. Anyways, with that being said, let's dive right into how much YouTube pay me for a 10,000 view video. So if I have a 10,000 view video, how much can YouTube pay me? One thing I want to put out there for disclaimers is that you can make more, you can make less, depending on the kind of niche you're bringing here. So for the fact that YouTube is paying me this on my own particular niche, it doesn't mean it's still going to pay the same person on the same particular niche with the same amount. Okay, so it depends on how you present and how YouTube do their calculation. I don't know if that is sinking into someone's head. With that being said, let us get right into this video. So as usual, I will be starting my screen record, and you guys know me now, so it's either I'm attaching it here or here, whichever one, but we are going to be starting something. Okay, and this is the video I did about the fastest way to get 4,000 watch time. Okay, and this video was uploaded last week, and this video has gotten 10.5k view. As you guys can see, they said viewers are 3 times higher than usual. More regular viewers are choosing to watch it, and blah blah blah, stuff like that. Anyways, let's go to the reach of this video. So for the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 130.5k. Is not bad. Okay, and how viewers actually found this channel? Viewers found the channel through browse features, channel page, suggested videos, other YouTube features, and others. It is good when people are finding your videos through browse features. Also, in case you're seeing like people are getting your videos from browse feature, don't feel bad. Okay, it is good. Okay, and external sites or app, you can see here it is WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, and Gmail. Sonia talks slowly. A lot of people say I talk fast, so I'll just calm down and talk. And YouTube search term Vibe Sonia, how to get 4,000 watch hours and 4,000 watch hour. You can see content that is suggesting this particular content. All of these contents are my content except for 2. Okay, this one will say how to complete 4,000 watch hour, and if YouTube is not recommending your video, you can see that definitely if you're doing the same thing in line with what another person is doing, YouTube is going to be recommending you people's videos together. Okay, so now let's go to the engagement of this particular video. So for the engagement of this particular video, this video has gotten a watch time of 626. Okay, 626. Okay, 626 watch time, and of which is not doing bad for the video that was uploaded 20 days ago. And you can see here they said audience retention. You can see that for the audience retention, it is 3 minutes 33 seconds. Simply means that anybody that clicked this video at least watched to 3 minutes 33 seconds, and of which is something to be grateful for. And you can see the spike and the audience moment, and you can see the likes versus dislikes as well. Then now let's go to the audience, because I just want to make this fast for everybody. Okay, so for the audience, this video has gotten returning viewers of 7.1k, and it is very good that if you're doing something, people are returning to like watch your videos. It simply means that YouTube is going to give you more edge to like push out your content out there. Okay, and then you can see the age that is watching this video: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and 55 to 64. Almost all categories are watching this age, except for the teenagers, because I put my videos not meant for kids, and then for 65 years plus, whereby some of them go say, what am I going to do on YouTube? Okay guys, then for the gender, you can see both male and female are watching this video, and you can see the top geographical locations that are watching my videos: Nigeria, United States, and Kenya. If I click, we are going to be getting more countries that are watching, but it is best we stick to these best 3 that we're seeing here, so that we don't get to waste much time on this video. Then you can see the subtitles English, and you can see not subscribe and then subscribe. Please, if you're watching this video, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? How can the people that have not subscribed watch more than people that have subscribed? So please subscribe, and if you're a subscriber, please watch, support Vibe with Sonia. Okay, and with all of this being said, let's move to the revenue that brought everybody to this particular video. So for the revenue of 10k view, okay, 10.5k view, it has given me $47.51. $47.51, and of which for me it's not bad. And how I make my money on YouTube, watch paid ad, and YouTube Premium. You guys can see that YouTube Premium is just T-pence, because you can see that for the watch paid ad, it is 99.2%, while YouTube Premium is 0.8%. Who does that? YouTube, increase your premium, for crying out loud. And then let's check on how my video performance. For every 1k view, I get to make $4.54, and of which is not bad at all. I've heard a lot of people saying, oh, for their 1k view they get to make $1, they get to make 0 point something cents, and you can see that I'm making $4.54 on this particular one, and I'm so grateful. And how much advertisers are paying $7.89 for this particular video for every 1k view. And you can see that earnings by skippable, display, bomber, non-skippable, unknown. And yeah, for a video of 10k view, I made $47.51. It simply means that you can also make this, you can also make less. Some persons have 10k view. In fact, personally, there are some of my videos that have 10k view, they are making way more than this. There are some that still have 10k view, they are making less than this. So like I said, depend on the advertisers that want to place ads on your video, and depend on how you viewers are watching. That is why it is very important that you watch my ads. Please, if you've not been watching ads, please watch ads, because it will really help me go a long way. Anyways, this is how much I've been able to make, and for me it's okay, it's not bad. If you have not been doing vlogmas, like why? And if your YouTube channel is still lagging and you want me to personally come into your channel, this is where Sonia come into display for you. Okay, the only thing you need to do is to send us a mail with this flyer that is displaying on the screen. Today is day 6. We still have 1 day to go to our 7 days promo ending, because from on the 7th of December our promo is gonna end, okay, whereby you cannot access Vibe with Sonia again with 10,000 naira. But just with 10,000 naira, because of this promo, I'll be able to go into your channel, see what is happening, see what we can actually add. A lot of people that have been subscribing to this particular class, they know that they are not regretting it. Like, most of them are so happy. A lot of them will even tell me, oh, Vibe Sonia, I thought I know YouTube, but I never knew nothing. You understand? Me personally, I'll go into your channel and see what is working, see what is not working, what we can minus, what we can add. All you need to do is to send me a mail at faithonoja3195@gmail.com, just the same mail that is displaying on this particular flyer that is displaying on your screen, and I'll be able to come in and see what is happening there. And if you are still doubting and you be like, oh, I've not even had a channel, why am I even going there? I've not even created one, how can I even start? We build channel from scratch as well, and yours cannot be different. That is why you still need to check out these flyers. You can see most of our this thing that we have there on our flyers. Take out a day that you particularly want to get your channel to the next level, and we'll do all of that for you. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let me know in the comment section, for a video of 10k, $47.51, is it worth it or is it not worth it? Your video of 10k, is it giving you same amount of revenue or is not giving you same amount of revenue? Is yours higher, is yours lower? Let me know in the comment section. But honestly, for my kind of content that I create here, it is 100% worth it. Like, it is worth it. It simply means if I have like this type of video, like 3 of them performing, I will meet up my $100 threshold, and I'll be withdrawing every month. And the goal is to withdraw every month, and you can also be among those ones that will definitely be withdrawing every month. Anyways, happy Vlogmas, and if you've not started Vlogmas, please start Vlogmas, because I know that this can actually elevate your YouTube channel for you. So thank you so much for staying stick with me to the end of this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.